Hi, it's Kelly Savage with Butterfly Thoughts. It's raw, it's unedited. It is not to be made perfect. Why? Because life isn't perfect. We are getting real and staying real with Butterfly Thoughts Podcast. The thoughts that can transform your life. Today's episode is, do we give up too easy? It's a Monday morning. I have been exercising consistently and have been feeling better doing it. But you know those Monday morning blues. Although I don't believe in the Monday morning blues. I think those are in our mind as well. But this particular Monday, I was feeling it. I wasn't up for the gym. I wasn't up for a full exercise routine. But I got to the gym and I struggled. I struggled to start. I struggled to continue. But it hit me to just keep on going. It sounds easy, right? It almost sounds cliche. But that is what I kept on telling myself. I'm going to keep on going. I have a goal. I'm going to keep at it with perseverance, determination, and commitment. And I had to talk to myself. It was not easy. Sounds a little silly, but at the same time, within a couple of minutes, I was feeling better, more energized, more committed, and I saw it through. Little miracle? Yeah. Little defeat? Yes. But my butterfly thought is, do we give up too easy? If an obstacle is in our way, if a roadblock is in our way, if we're having a hard time seeing the goal, if we get a little frustrated with it, or something happens and we get all flustered, do we give up out of laziness, fear, all kinds of different feelings? It happened in a couple of minutes of me persevering with commitment, and I felt totally different. My breakthrough was just there. A couple of minutes of commitment, determination. So I ask you, do we give up too easy? Is our breakthrough, is our miracle, is better roads ahead of us, even if it's just a couple of minutes, a couple of days, a couple of months? Do we give up too easy? That was my butterfly thought today. The ones that sneak up on you, that fly in so innocently, and yet can transform and bring beauty into our lives. It's Kelly Savage with Butterfly Thoughts. Thank you for joining.